After receiving a sell signal with price versus well money flow and trades in favor high, Bitcoin has absolutely tanked and broken below this descending channel pattern. We have just touched nearly $85,000, and at this point, it begs the question, are we going to drop even further, or are we finally going to rebound back to the upside to regain some profit? Let me show you my thoughts in today's video, but first, I want to let you know our Inner Circle live Zoom hangout is coming up tomorrow. This is where we're going to talk about where crypto is headed and open the call up for a Q&A session with the community. Make sure you have a full access membership to join us live tomorrow. And the day after that, on Friday, we are going to post a brand new future forecast, and we have a lot to talk about. Access all this and more at the links in the description down below. I'll show you more about this later, but I want to dive straight into the Bitcoin metrics, starting with the Bitcoin emotional index. We're going to view the live chart, and today retail traders are still feeling very anxious, and I don't blame them because this has been a very sharp drop to the downside. Honestly, I wouldn't be surprised if we saw a move down into fearful, but some encouragement here. Whenever you see Bitcoin move down into anxious and especially down into fearful territory, this is often where you are seeing huge moves up. I'm talking 20%. This move right here to the top was an insane 57%. Guys, it's crazy what happens. Now, the reason this happens is because whales trade against retail traders like you and I. When we are feeling anxious, the price drops and it makes a fantastic buy opportunity for whales so they can pump the price and make their profit. You don't want to trade against the whales, and that's what the next metric is going to help you with. We're going to scroll down to the Bitcoin Whale Smart Money metric, and we're going to view the live chart. What you are going to see here is a whole bunch of long trade sentiment. As you can see here, orange bars to the long trade sentiment side, surpassing the 600 level, shows that we have a lot of long trade sentiment amongst whales. I mean, it's pretty self-explanatory, guys. As the price drops, whales are going to try and buy the dip. That is proof that the emotional index works. Whenever we are seeing long trade sentiment, this is where we are looking to find moves up of 14%. Back here, this was another boom, 10%. All the way back here, guys, this was a crazy move up too. We're talking 13% all the way up to 75%. From here, the next signal we are taking a look at is going to be the Bitcoin dollar cost average entry exit options chart. As we view this one, we're going to notice a third green bar today in a row. As soon as we see a gray bar, the buy opportunity window has closed, and if you haven't yet, it could be the best time to enter. You can see right here we got a green bar, and as that closed off, we got a move up of 74%. Back here after it closed, this was a move up of 20%. Guys, keep this in mind. Each of these even saw a little bit of profit too. If we get a gray bar, this is likely the time, the final opportunity to enter close to the bottom for maximum profit for those that are dollar cost averaging. Now, I'm not going to go over the support and resistance levels here. Very, very helpful metric, but in today's video, we're actually going to be using TradingView and the live charts to take a look at where the next movements in Bitcoin could be. Really quick, I want to go over this too. Liquidation heat map on the weekly. We are seeing some liquidity around the $85,000 level. This tells me we could even drop further down, but after that, we have more liquidity higher up at $90,000. Whales are going to try and hunt down and liquidate any traders that have liquidity levels so they can take advantage of that liquidity, buy it up for themselves, and make profit. As the price moves up, they're going to do the same thing to short traders. Again, liquidating around the $90,000 level, and from there, even as high as the $100,000 level. I think we could see a significant bounce at $85,000, right around our structure support that we are trading at right this second. This is confirmed with trades in favor in the long trade zone. We see an 83% chance of a pump. We have price versus while money flow low, and this means that downwards momentum has run out and we're likely to bounce to the upside. We have price versus while money flow low, meaning that whales have oversold and are likely to buy back into the market, and where whale money goes, the price is likely to go too. Whale money drops, price drops. Whale money moves up, price moves up. So as soon as you see this green line tick up, it could be a good entry opportunity. Now, the last signal that we're looking for is a buy signal, and most often this is going to indicate ideal candle entries. Each of these individually are bullish, but the combination of the three create what's called a bullish trifecta, and most often it's going to send the price absolutely flying. And in fact, this is the combination of entry signals that we've used to enter 283 successful trade calls with 0 losses over the last 24 months. You can get access to these trade calls on the trade setups page, also included in our membership. So what we need to look out for today: whale money continues to move out of the market, the price could drop further. Whale money moves into the market, expect massive bounces to anywhere between $91,000 and $100,000 based on liquidity levels. I know that's a really broad range of prices, but guys, that's just where we're at in the crypto market right now. This is what we're looking for through the rest of this week, but we are not out of the woods, guys. I want everyone to be careful. And if you decide to make an entry at this point, and I'm not telling you whether or not you should, this is not financial advice, we do have the TC top and bottom finder risk management system built in. I'll be talking about that in later videos. This one's running a little bit long. So with that, if you want to be able to trade the market like we do, 283 wins with 0 losses in our membership trades, and this person met their goal of becoming debt-free. Guys, absolutely incredible. Congrats to this trader. This person makes $1,000 to $5,000 a day, 10% profit with their indicators, 50 to 70% in a week, 103% in 34 days. Guys, results like this can be yours with these indicators loaded up on your charts. On top of the money-making benefits like the crazy future forecast videos, trade setups, metrics across 40 coins, morning brew overviews, and this week's Inner Circle live Zoom hangout, members can get access to these indicators for up to $550 off. And you can access this with the links in the description down below. Membership is the first link. Click that. It'll bring you to our sign up page where you're going to get 25% off your first month. Less than $50 to get started, and it's going to immediately give you a $150 discount with the coupon code at this link for the Pro Indicator Pack. Click that link. It'll take you to our sales page. Click I want this, throw in your membership code, fill in your information, click pay, and it's going to offer you the TC top and bottom finder for $400 off, giving you that full $550 discount. Go ahead and click add to cart, follow the prompts, and we're so excited to trade with you soon. And with that, I just want to say thank you so much for watching. Remember, trade safe, trade confident, and I will see you in the membership for tomorrow's Inner Circle live Zoom hangout and Friday's future forecast videos. Don't miss out.